possible south of where the thunderstorms are occurring. Another thunderstorm is intensifying south of Cashin. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles.
Alice and Fort Wood issue a flood warning near Long Lake.
Crescent, Okarche, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Nina, and Seward.
Yes, I am live. I repeat, I'm live.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Why did I just sign out? Just why?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is not a good stream. It's buffering.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Dover, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf balls,
Putting all these-
hail, and 60 miles out.
This is a really active year so far, guys.
It's getting caught out. So,
Uh-oh.
yeah.
Expect hail damage to roofs,
That's never good.
windows, and vehicles.
Oh, I forgot to refresh my radio.
Roofs, siding,
So much.
Marshall.
Yeah.
Tornadoes can
They just
develop
is
quickly
no,
from
never mind.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
It looks like it is gonna.
Warning.
Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma.
It looked like it is gonna hit Tulsa.
Central Oklahoma until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Guys, I gotta go.
142
All right, see ya, man.
A severe thunderstorm was located
I'll try to come back.
northwest of Lake Carl Blackwell, moving east at
I'll try to come
35
back,
miles an
guys.
hour.
All right, sounds good.
Hazards include 60 miles an hour wind
All right,
gusts
bye, guys.
and quarter-size.
See ya.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perry, Morrison, Glencoe, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to
Guys, this isn't good.
on the lowest floor of a building. The National
This
Weather
is really
Service
bad.
in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm
Uh-oh.
located
Oh,
in Kingfisher
that's from Missouri. My bad.
35 miles an hour. Strong winds will be possible south of where the thunderstorm.
Hey, that's from my grandma's area.
Another thunderstorm is intensifying south of Canada. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
We're back.
Locations impacted include Guthrie, Kingfisher, Crescent, Okarche, Cashin.
I'm actually getting better streams than I thought I would.
Navina, and Seward. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain, which will increase over the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
They just expired the tornado warning for Kingfisher, Oklahoma. They just expired it.
Expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding.
And they also, oh, that's for Missouri. And now I'm not getting any connection whatsoever.
The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Guthrie, Kingfisher, Tennessee, Crescent, Okarche, Jackson, Dover, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Hitchcock, Loyal, Lovell, Lacey, Nadina, Omega, and Seward. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 148 and 165. Turn around.
Wait a minute.
When encountering flooding
This storm looks pretty severe. It obviously is, but
vehicles.
it looks so severe than I thought it would.
Effective through late tonight.
Uh-oh.
Flood watch continues for portions of central
Never mind.
Oklahoma, east central Oklahoma.
Forget anything I
A
said.
tornado warning for northeastern Kingfisher County will expire at 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The
Wait a
rotation
minute.
associated with the storm in Kingfisher County has weakened and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the tornado
Alrighty.
warning will be allowed to expire. Severe thunderstorm warnings continue for Kingfisher County.
Flooding in an isolated tornado or two
Flood
cannot
watch
be
remains
ruled out.
ineffective through late tonight.
Radar shows that
The
we
flood
actually
watch
do have
continues for portions of central Oklahoma.
That's for Texas. Air forecast discussion.
Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Tate, and Tucker.
Are firing.
In east
A lot of
central
these will
Oklahoma,
have severe
Seattle.
capabilities.
In northern
It's probably just a spin up in that tornado warning for Kingfisher, to be honest.
Heavy rainfall are expected to impact portions of central Oklahoma this afternoon and then again this evening.
Alrighty.
Some local areas could receive 2 to 4 inches of total rainfall. Flash flooding will be possible. The flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Tornado watch number 215 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady,
TSA, Osage,
McLean,
Western Pawnee counties.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close
Ooh,
to the watch
yikes.
area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Yeah.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
It looks-
commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my gosh.
Northeastern Kingfisher County will expire.
This has nothing to do with this,
Daylight time.
but public reports in Kansas reports golf ball size hail 1.75 inches from.
The tornado.
Wow.
Therefore, the tornado warning will
Yep.
be allowed to expire. Severe thunderstorm warnings continue.
It's
for
decent
Kingfisher
size.
County.
It's pretty big for here. No, that's giant for Tennessee.
Issued a flood advisory for northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma,
That's like the usual.
northern Blaine County
Yeah.
in northwestern Oklahoma.
No doubt about that.
3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time
Oh, come on.
and 12:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Thunderstorms
No, 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 no. Don't lag out. Don't lag out. Don't
are
lag out.
expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches
Oh,
of rain.
now it'll.
Some locations that will experience
Now it'll show me the warning. Alright, I see how it is.
Dover, Marshall, Hitchcock, Loyal, Lovell, Eagle City, and Lacey. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Refresh my radar.
County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern
That's
Oklahoma,
gonna hurt.
until 2:15
It really
p.m.
is.
Central Daylight Time. At 1:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dover, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a located threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
So thanks for joining us at 24.com, where we focus on the latest forecasts, and we are gearing up for severe storms today. Make sure you're weather aware, as we will have storms likely starting as early as noon today in northern Oklahoma and could go all the way to about midnight in southern Oklahoma. Baseball-sized hail, 80-mile-per-hour winds, and tornadoes could be possible. Wind and hail are the main threats. Here's our tornado risk, though. It does encompass greater parts of the state, especially if any of the storms interact with left boundaries.
That is a massive severe thunderstorm watch. That's pretty massive.
First develop and are not visualized. Cells in northern Oklahoma, that's where we get baseball-sized hail. Once it starts to form more of a line, linear situation, usually it's damaging winds, and then still we have bubbles, tennis ball-sized hail, as well as some weak spin-ups possible along the line. Here's a look at one of the computer models. Please see change throughout the day because they are not in agreement. So this is showing storms going up as early as noon or even late morning in Oklahoma, and then the coverage starts to continue to increase across northern Oklahoma to about mid-afternoon. Then it forms more of a line to Stillwater and the North Metro by late afternoon, likely pushing the OTC closer to 7, but we want you to be on alert starting at around 4 p.m., so around mid-afternoon to about 3 p.m. as it could speed up. Then it pushes into southeastern Oklahoma for a few hours, and we could have severe weather up until about midnight.
Alright, they just canceled a severe thunderstorm warning for Nobile and Payne, Oklahoma. They just canceled it. Why did I just open that?
Here's our 7-day forecast. So, temperatures great this weekend. Below normal, but great. With upper 70s, lows in the 50s. Lots of scattered showers and storms.
It's right here.
Isolated storms again for Tuesday.
I don't know if this is weakening. I want to say it is, but I'm not sure. I'm not a storm prediction guy, so yeah. Why I don't want Dragon Center? Huh? They just issued a flood warning for near Little and Tumsky, Oklahoma until May 29th, 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Flood warning. So let's take a look at that.
Man, what an active day.
Is this storm weakening? I want to say it is, but I'm not sure. It was looking pretty bad earlier. Yeah!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central
And they just canceled the severe
severe thunderstorm warning
for K and Noble.
Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms produced.
Is it weakening, guys? Tell me.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over parts of northern Kingfisher County.
the tornado part, yeah.
Ongoing or expected to begin
Oh.
shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding: Kingfisher, Tennessee, Crescent, Okarche, Cashin, Dover, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Cimarron City, Orlando.
And they just canceled the severe thunderstorm warning for Major, Woods, Woodward, Oklahoma.
Yeah. They're canceling a lot of things.
Yeah.
You already can see that, y'all. Come on, Norman. What are you doing?
It looks like it's weakening.
Encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Just being honest.
Potawatomi and Seminole. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood warning for the Little River near Tecumseh. From this evening to late Friday night. 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Thursday, the stage was 5.8 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The Little River is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 13.9 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening / the following impacts are expected. At 14.0 feet, flooding to depths of 3 feet occurs over croplands, pastures, and rural roads along the river.
I'm gonna share my my IM. That's weird. Yeah, guys, I guess it's weakening. That's a shame. It was looking really nasty there for a minute, but now it's just kind of fell apart. It was looking really nasty there for a minute, and just oh man, it happens every time. Every time.
This is a storm to watch. We'll keep you updated, Jim. Yeah, no doubt about it. Again, that storm is intensifying, Jim. So Jim's going to be out on the western flank at least for a while. And we're going to kind of flip-flop Jim around. He'll go east, he'll come back west. Let's get about Casper. He's on a severe storm. We'll do some rotation with this. Let's get an update from Val and Amy in northern Kingfisher County.
Wait, there's rotation, Nate? Who's listening to that?
Rotation.
I heard something about rotation. So apparently someone's watching TV and I heard something about rotation. I mean, I don't know if I'm right or not, but
I mean, there's probably some rotation.
oh yeah, probably definitely so. But it isn't the end of the storm yet, trust me. It still has some power to it.
There's gonna be a second wave.
That's what we gotta watch. Look at that shot there. Impressive shot from Val. Okay, let's go to Links 1.
But I think the Oklahoma area kind of died out. Just saying. It is kind of cloudy outside in my area.
A lot of storms. We're gonna have a lot of precipitation and a lot of hail. With again. That's going to affect. Now we're not going to have several tornadoes. On top of that, between this afternoon, this evening, and overnight tonight, flooding can be a problem. Parts of central into eastern Oklahoma. Flood watches already in effect. Very unstable. The atmosphere is prime. We have the jet stream overhead, cold front in the northwest. It's all going to come together to give us a couple of waves of showers and storms up north. Thunderstorms in northeastern Oklahoma, moving through that area. Our next our viewing
Bless
area,
you.
Thunderstorms firing up now from east of Tennessee, along that line, back to Watonga, back to Putnam. A little smaller still near Danger, not doing a whole lot. Danger just currently.
Oh, come on. Don't fail me now.
The main line right here from Putnam to Hitchcock to east of Tennessee. We have the heavy storm that is severe. That's the one that is
I'm here.
And these are moving northeast at about 30 miles per hour, right? So the hail size.
Alright, we updated the severe thunderstorm warning cancels Garfield, Oklahoma, and continues for Kingfisher and Logan, Oklahoma until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Time of arrival, if you will. Orlando, 12:42. We'll stay Lake McMurtry at 1 o'clock. OSU campus about 1:27. So you folks, again, in northern Logan County, we're talking about in southern Noble County, northern Logan County, and Payne County. Keep an eye on this storm. It is rotating. It's going to produce large hail, and it's going to make its way towards Stillwater. Looking at what it looks like here on the volumetric scan, Thompson's really tall, and it's craft, and it is rotating, right? And it's an impressive storm right now. We think it's just going to get stronger, so that tornado threat will be there with that. All right, so this afternoon and this evening, we have a moderate threat of moderate threat really all day. Which means we're going to have a lot of storms in here that are going to be severe, right? Where you see the yellow, we're going to have less severe storms. Where you see the orange on this map, it's a moderate threat, just means more numerous severe storms. Large hail, damaging winds with, again, some isolated tornadoes possible. My tornado zones for this afternoon into this evening. Central, off into eastern Oklahoma, a little higher threat than what includes the metro. And then across western and southwestern Oklahoma, threat is certainly there. But the low-level winds not quite as favorable in the north and west. But we'll be tracking that throughout the afternoon and into this evening. Instability is high. I think quarter golf ball size hail is a likely possibility in any storm. But a few of these storms, the instability is really maximized. We could see some tennis ball size hail. And as this whole thing begins to line out, we could see winds 55 to 65 to 75 miles per hour from the afternoon and into this evening. So, showers and thunderstorms now to the north, central, and golden Oklahoma. Push off to the east, and then the next line develops after that, and those will spill into Oklahoma City. 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it's right outside of Oklahoma City, I'm guessing.
Tornado threat, and then as we get into this evening, activity comes into Oklahoma, and then we'll put this thing to get into tonight. Rainfall amounts 1 to 2 to locally 3 inches of northern, central, southern, and eastern Oklahoma. Right now in Oklahoma City,
what'd you need?
Our humidity.
What did you need?
Now in the 80s. The atmosphere is very unstable.
Okay.
So for the rest of the afternoon, still west.
Yep, and they continue the flood warning.
Good chance of scattered showers and storms about down to the metro. And then late afternoon into the evening, a 100% chance widespread showers and storms from Oklahoma City south to start to dry out in the north. And I'll tell you what, folks, by 8 o'clock on, this is going to be pushing, it looks like right now, more likely south of Oklahoma City after 8 o'clock. Overnight tonight, showers and storms in the south as we get into the overnight hours, and that'll be it. Now, cold front moves in right as we get into this evening and tonight. Advance that to the 9-day. And we're going to cool it off big time tomorrow. Highs tomorrow only in the 70s. And morning lows near 50. The weekend looks pretty good. Slight chance to bring Sunday. Better chance.
Interstate 35 between mile markers 148 and 165. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in Flood watch remains in effect through late tonight. The flood watch continues for portions of central Oklahoma, east central Oklahoma, and northern Oklahoma, including the following areas in central Oklahoma.
This one's becoming a over while the isolated
McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. In east central Oklahoma, Seminole. In northern Oklahoma, Garfield, and Noble. Through late tonight, at least 2 rounds of heavy rainfall are expected to impact portions of central Oklahoma this afternoon and then again.
Oh, I thought there was about to be a flash flood warning, but that's for Missouri.
Flash flooding will be possible. The flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared.
Chevy is America's fastest growing full-line brake.
Tornado watch number 215 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds.
Oh my gosh, they said they just broadcast media reports. Logan County, Oklahoma, a gust of 70 miles an hour. Yikes.
Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial
Wow.
radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble and northwestern Payne counties is canceled. The storm which prompted this
Now things are starting to pass. Now things are starting to spice up again. Woohoo.
warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central Kingfisher and northwestern Logan counties. At 2 Central Daylight Time, a severe storm was located near Hubble, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood advisory for northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, south central Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, northern Plain County in northwestern Oklahoma until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time and 12:39 p.m. Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated
If it doesn't start spicing up around again around 2:20 p.m., I'm gonna start headed out, okay?
because shortly in the advisory area,
Okay.
between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding in
I'm gonna go for now. I'll join back in a bit, okay?
Dover, Marshall,
Alright.
You're back.
Moyle, Love, Eagle,
I'll if I'm probably gonna go at 2:20.
2 inches is
Nate, I'm gonna go at 2:20,
this additional rain will
but I'll be back at 4
turn around. Don't drown when
or 3. Doesn't matter where. What? Oh.
Host of flood and security. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was Kingfisher, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Strong winds will
Uh-oh! They just issued a severe thunderstorm warning
occurring. Another thunderstorm is
for Kingfisher, Logan, and Payne, Oklahoma until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
hazards include 60 miles an hour.
Hello?
Quarter-size hail.
Guys, did you hear me?
Indicated threat.
Look right here.
Following impacts are expected.
Yeah, I can hear you. What's going on?
Woohoo! Finally, I got an alert.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Crescent to near Guthrie, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Another severe storm is located just north of Kingfisher. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Guthrie,
Wow, I could get that in a million years.
Cashin, Dover,
I'm happy now, but I'm not happy for like the storms, but I'm happy that I finally got one. Finally.
A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yep, we finally got one after a while.
Interior room on the lowest floor
Finally.
of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingfisher, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Strong winds possible south of where the thunderstorms are occurring. Another thunderstorm is intensifying south of Cashin.
Yep, they just issued a significant weather advisory for northern Garfield, K, Grant, and northern Noble counties until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
But
include
I hope this storm isn't weakening.
Okarche,
I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer.
Cimarron City, Nadina, and Seward. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. your protection, move to an interior.
Another,
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
what?
thunderstorm warning.
Oh, I see,
Fisher
okay.
County in central Oklahoma. County in central Oklahoma. Western Payne County in central Oklahoma until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Crescent to near Guthrie, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Another severe storm is located just north of Kingfisher. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated route. Following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees.
I see.
Locations impacted include Guthrie, Kingfisher, Lakeston, Crescent, Carson, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Mohall, Cimarron City, Meridian, Lake Carl, Blackwell, and Navina. A tornado watch remains in effect. Guthrie.